Hello guys, so we are doing the final touches of the mansion. So as you see, we just installing the floor. That's my friend. So I just want to take you through to show you around so that you can see what we are just doing. So they are just almost done with the staircases. They're almost done with the staircases. So this is the staircases. So yesterday we just installed this one. And now we are doing the second one. Now yes. Amesema aje? Yeah guys, so this room is for the grandmother. You see? I don't know why. Actually, I don't know why. Like 90%, okay, let me say 60% of ladies, they just like pink. 60% and get me crystal clear. 90% or 60% of ladies out here, they just like pink. I don't know why. I really don't know why. But for the men, we just like black. You can just be there, right? You can just be there. So we are just doing the painting. This is the painter. This is the guy who is just doing the magic of painting. So guys, go support me out in YouTube. My name is Khalifa Miles. I'm just going to take you through this journey. I know it is a tough one, but I will really try my best to show you the best videos, the best documentaries, the best places. So stay with me, stay tuned as we go together, right? Yep. Yeah. So I just told you, these wires, this is for the earthing, this is the positive one, and then this one on here that is so neutral. So I just know these things. I just did physics in high school, so I know a lot of things here. So this is for the negative, this is the red one, this is the positive, and then this is the neutral for the earthing, right? Yep. So this is the shower. This is the shower. I know a lot of people don't know what this uses. It is used for splashing water in your back where you cannot just reach. So this is the washroom. It is so spacious. Actually, I was just making a joke another day, like someone who is in Nairobi. This, you see this washroom? Huh? You see this washroom? Hey, this can be a room for someone in Nairobi who is just working. And I'm not like making jokes or making like, I'm not bragging. You know, you might think I'm bragging. I'm not bragging. Yo, Nairobi. Well, so guys, a major transformation, you can just see. Yup. Okay. Yes. And this is my friend from Tanzania, Suru Muhammad. Yep. That is Nico Buddha, the guy behind the construction. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, today we are just harvesting in the grandma shamba or garden or land, whatever you wanna say. So today we are just doing the harvesting. Those are my boys there. They are doing the harvesting. That is Felix and Sam. So guys, I'm going to take you through the process. So guys, stay tuned. One love. So guys, this is what we call the cassava. We are almost done with the task of the day. We are almost done with the work of the day. So we are just harvesting the maize. We have done it from the far end. Now we are almost done. This is the only nini just remaining. We are supposed to do it and then we just go to
to our home. It is something like more of a charity or something, because seriously, for a grandmother who is a widow, who don't have children, who don't have even relatives, you can just come together with help, right? So this is what is just like remaining. All that's what is just remaining, and then we've done from that end, from the far end, and now we're almost done. So guys, stay tuned. Let me show you the view. Yes, that's it. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. So guys, we are doing the harvesting of the maize. We are almost done with the harvesting. So actually, when I was just like growing up, there's this thing that is just called prakchak, ekemokomogi. In our tribe, we call just it ekemokomogi. This thing, it has a mechanism. It protects itself, like it sticks to your clothes or something. It is adapted for its own protection or mechanism to stick to the clothes or something. So guys, we are almost done. We are on the process of harvesting the maize, and then we're almost done, guys. Stay tuned. And then here I have my friend Jamaican the boy.
Yeah, man.
How are you, man? You see, this guy is always happy, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Jamaican boy Africa.
Jamaican boy Africa.
Yeah, please guys go and check. And let's show love by subscribing.
What is this legend in your shirt?
Okay,
This is a graffiti, yeah?
Yeah. I think it has already rubbed.
Yes.
Not showing.
It is a graffiti. Graffiti are not supposed to be clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, we are here harvesting. We are here assist to harvest.
Yeah, we are doing
some harvesting here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this maize.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are harvesting maize here.
It's called corn.
It's called the corn.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called the corn.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why we are here. I can see you are here very early in the morning.
Yes. My friend is calling me here. Let me note. So guys, stay tuned. And I have my funny friend here, MJ_Gideon. Go support this guy. Guys, now we are done with the harvesting. This is what we call the corn, all the maize. But mostly, many people in Africa and many other countries, they just call them corns. But in Africa setting, they just call it maize, right? Yeah. So this is what at the moment, at this stage, we are just going to grind it to take off this nini. There's a how do we call this? I don't know. So we are just going to remove this nini maize from this nini cobweb. At the cobweb, I don't know. So from there, we're just going to remove it, and then we dry it, and then from there we take it to the tinga all the granary. So guys, stay tuned as I take you through this nini segment. My name is Khalifa. My name is Khalifa Miles. Please stay tuned. Support me. One love. Love you guys. You are a fantastic person. Support me. So guys, we are done. We are done with the harvesting. Right now we are doing the collection. Like we are packing the maize. We are packing the maize to the fila, all to the bungalow, all to the house, whatever you're gonna call it. It's okay. The crucial thing is you are supposed to understand. So from here, guys, we are doing the meeting point of the where we are supposed to collect all the maize from the land. All the maize is supposed to be brought here, and then from here, we are just going to pick those maizes from there, all those corns from there to the field. So this is how the village looks like. This is the overview. Yes. So guys, stay tuned. Let me show you around. This is how the village looks like. We are really working so hard to help. Yeah. Another fact, we have just come from a very far distance to came here to help. You see, this is kind of a charity organization or something. Because guys, when your time comes, even if they put roadblocks, it will happen. It will always happen. So guys, stay tuned. Like me hard on YouTube. I think I leave a mind. So yes, I will show you the next steps. So guys, this is the final thing. We are just trying to make from the next end. So stay tuned. Let's take this. So guys, this is the final result. I just promised I was going to show you. So this is the final result. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the final results of the maize corn. So guys, stay tuned. We are almost done with the project. So I just want to show you the transformation with the project. So we are doing the landscaping actually. Yeah, I don't want to film something that is one for all the time. So once I was giving something. So guys, that's me. I'm looking so bad. Oh my god, I look so bad in the mirror. If this is the way I'm looking right now, I need to do something. So guys, we are doing the walling of the bungalow. So these are my friends from Tanzania. They are really working so hard. Yes, sir. Yes. So guys, go support me out in YouTube. Like, this is my friend. It's my friend from Tanzania. The friend is so funny. Tunasema waliosoma sahii wako hapa wanafanya bado hii kazi. Haya. So here I am. We are with the Tanzanian friends. Yes, sir. So this is the final touches we are doing here today. So guys, stay tuned. Yes, we are almost done. We are done with everything. Yes. Yeah. We are almost done with everything. Honestly, we have done a massive transformation. Like, to be honest, we have really tried. So they have put the staircases like there. You see? Yeah, these are the fundis who are just working there. So guys, stay tuned. I don't want to make a very long video with no objective, so I just want to show you in pieces. Yes. Yes. This is what is going on here. Yes. You see? Yes. So guys, stay tuned. Again, I'm just going to record for 5 minutes again. So 5 minutes to make a full video, right? Yes. Guys, actually I'm sleeping in. I have officially closed the house, so let me show you. I'm sneaking. So guys, this is the washroom. They are doing the final touches. Let me sneak. Wow. So this is the daughter's mini staying room. Yes. And then this is the washroom. They are supposed to share with the room. Hey. Nikupe na ndoo? It is called a grout. Right? Netwa grout.
Gypsum powder.
Oh, gypsum. Nikusukishia ama niko
Kurudisha chini.
Oh.
Grout ya kupaka vigae.
Za tai, si ndio? Oh.
This is gypsum powder.
Oh, fine. So guys, this is the grandma's room. Oh my god. You can't believe, like, I'm in the final touches of grandma's room. So I don't know why most ladies, they just like pink, but it is what it is. Wow. Well, like, it is so big. Wow, guys, see? This lighting. Wow. And then this door. Wow. So guys, this is the living room. You see? I'm really trying. Yeah, that's Nico Buddha. This is the guy. Hey! Anyway, guys, can you see this room? Wow, so nice. So nice. Guys, this room looks so nice. I don't know if this is the guest room or what. So nice. Let me show you something here. I don't know. So guys, this is how it looks. Nice. Wow. 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 Let me show you guys. That's the lighting. Looks so nice.
Hizi bulbs zinakuanga how many? Voltage yake inakuanga ngapi? Watts yake ni ngapi?
5 watts.
5 watts. So nikileta zile za ile ya red yaitawa ile ya red ile inaweza pasuka ile.
Yes, no.